going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, so we had a little bit of a National Mustang Day cruise this morning, and the wife and I had left early. My grandson's birthday today, but we went out there for a little while and went over here to this Mike Bernarli or whatever his name is. He's got a huge collection of Mustangs. So we went over there for a little while, and I got some video, which you guys probably seen that already. If you haven't, get over there and check it out. So I come back in, put the 55 in the backyard on the trailer still, get it out of the driveway, and come out here and mess around with this Fairmont a little bit. So I've had a pretty busy day today, but that's good though. And I went out there and, yeah, buddy, had HBR out there, my friend. So anyhow, let's turn this around and see what we got done with the Fairmont today. All right, so here we go. I got the header on there. I got all the bolts started. This one right here is kind of a pain in the butt to get to, but we got her. And yeah, we got things going on here, guys, finally. Woohoo! So yeah, it's one of those things where you got to walk away and come back. And I have to say, thanks for my trusty little friend here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man, that thing helped out a lot. Make sure things were lined up. So it worked out. So I am going to back in the house. I'm going to rest up a little bit. And then maybe tomorrow I'll get back. Maybe even tonight I might get back out here. But anyhow, I just figured I'd show you guys that we got something moving. Yeah, sometimes you just got to walk away from this stuff, man, because it can be a pain in the butt. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, man, look at that. Woo! I'm getting excited. Getting excited. Like I said, I want to have this thing running by the end of this month. Well, I don't know how that's going to happen, but we'll sure try. Yeah, like I said, man, sometimes this stuff gives you a fit. Best just walk away. You know what I mean? Come back to it later and, you know, I mean, you're going to think about it and you're going to be like, what's the best way to do this? What am I going to do? You know, do I need to call somebody over and get some help and this and that, blah, blah, blah. Well, today I figured, you know what? I'm going to start that last bolt. I'm going to start it first. And then I'm going to go all the way to the front. And I'm going to start that one. So I'm going to do the puzzle, you know, whichever which way it works best. And we got it figured out. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. I want you to have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is. And you know what? Happy Easter. Yeah, buddy. Tomorrow's Easter. Enjoy your family. Enjoy your kids. Enjoy your grandkids. Just, you know, hug them and love them, baby. All right. You guys have a great rest of your day.